We see a lot of roofs, and we also see a lot of people come to the assumption that you can install shingles on a flat or a low-pitched roof. Is this true and you can install those shingles as long as you take the proper precautions, or is there more to it than that? That's what we're answering on today's video as we look at whether or not you can install asphalt shingles on a flat roof. Let's get started. Can you install asphalt shingles on a flat roof? While it's completely possible to install asphalt shingles on a flat or low-pitched surface, it is in no way, shape, or form a good idea. Just one of the reasons are that asphalt shingles are not meant to hold standing water like other flat roof materials are. This means that whenever it rains, whether it be a storm or even something less than that, that asphalt roof portion is going to have water built up on it, and the water is going to seep through and eventually reach your decking. And like with anything, when water reaches your decking, it's going to rot it, and when it rots it, you're going to need a roof replacement eventually. Now, many roofers will skirt around this by saying that they can install ice and water shield beneath those asphalt shingles and save you money because you don't have to get the flat roof material, and you can have asphalt shingles with ice and water shield. The problem is that ice and water shield is meant to resist water in the case of ice damming, where a snowstorm creates exactly what it sounds like, a dam made of ice, where water will rest on your roof for a small amount of time. However, it is not meant to withstand constant water exposure year-round, so you're still going to have leaks even if you have multiple layers of ice and water shield beneath your flat asphalt shingles. Besides there being no function to installing this, it's also not legal to do in most cases, as most building codes prohibit it. In the United States, International Building Code dictates that you can't install asphalt shingles on any roof that is 212 pitch or lower. So if any roofer even suggests that they can install asphalt shingles on a flat surface like that, they're either straight up scamming you or they just don't know what they're doing. What can you install on a flat roof? The staple materials that are usually installed on a flat or low-pitched surface would be the membranes, such as TPO, PVC, and EPDM, as well as other things like modified bitumen. All of these materials have been around for long enough to where, to various degrees, they're considered reliable and they work. If you're looking for a premium option for your flat roofs, then you can install metal panels on those flat roofs. However, it is going to be more expensive than the membranes. There you have it. If you're looking for a deeper dissection as to what we think the best flat roofing materials are and why, you can click on the link below or at the end of this video to watch our video over what the best flat roof materials are. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so that we can help educate more homeowners like yourself, and we'll see you next time.